just worked your way up here, didn't you, Bella? Look here. Look here. Smart dogs. You gotta go get your eye checked out. And I'm allergic to dogs, so I'll probably get some hives on my face. Thanks to you. Get that one eye thing going on. So, we're just kind of making some decisions on the day. We're probably gonna head, by the sounds of it, to a little mini rainforest here in Western Canada. So we'll go for a quick drive down there. It's about 45 minutes away, I guess. It's not too far to go to a rainforest. And just about to mow down some cereal, some Heritage Flakes with some vanilla soy milk, and then probably make some quick shitty instant coffee and hit the road. And then come back. We're gonna take one of the dogs into the vet. He's got a problem with his eye. And then probably hop on the bikes, and then we'll spend the night working on a Kickstarter program. So let's get at it. I go first.
So you need a case.
Not good for that height. Yeah, I know. I need the wire.
Let's get a tube. Let's get our tubes out. Bicycle tube. Go for a float.
Just a fat bike tube. Just a mini fat bike.
Pick up the pace so that Joe can have this to herself. So rainforest right here.
Ready for some bullshit facts?
Bullshit.
Star Wars was filmed right here. This mossy jungle. All those Ewoks and shit, just like those Ewoks were actually
You believe it now, right?
FOBs.
You believe it now, right?
Ewoks fresh off the boat.
I'll show you this section where it was filmed. You'll know exactly. As soon as you see it, you'll be like, yeah, fact.
Fact. That mossy rock.
Trees, so like
Yeah.
it fell down and then it took all the roots up. So you see that?
Yeah.
So I mean, you can go there probably. Anything that's like dirty.
Beaten. Because I saw somebody walking up there.
Also, North Vancouver is friendlier than Vancouver.
Like for people.
Yeah. So like people might say hi more, but as people get old, as younger kids start growing up, they're not used to social skills, right?
Yeah.
So here's that tree. That's good shit.
That's why I always hang out with older people, because they're cooler. They have personalities.
Let's just zoom in, cause like.
You want to pitch?
Well, I think you should.
That's why the gimbal would be sweet. So you just gotta stick and just
Yeah.
hold it.
Here's go for a run. Run. Yeah, just run. People like action, man. I'm not running. Go for a run.
I'm not running.
Show them how your vegan omega, your veggie omega is like, lubricate your muscles and your knees.
Ooh, I could totally get into parkour too. I like that shit. All right, Andrew here is claiming that this is where Star Wars, what is it? Number 2 would be Return of the Jedi. No,
Star Trek.
second one, Empire Strikes Back. Yeah, was filmed in here. The Ewok racing through the bush and everyone's crashing into trees on their little fucking, I don't know, I'm not a huge Star Wars fan. Whatever those little buggies are that they rip around on. Like motorbikes, but they have them. You're just like, who are you?
Show them all this.
Let it focus. Oh, it's on your focusing on your fat head. Moss everywhere. Follow the Yellow Brick Road. So I'm gonna have to Google that to confirm it because I don't believe anything this guy says anymore. Go check out that tree. Dude, look at that tree. I'm from Alberta. Dude, check out that tree. Look at this old stump. It's rotting into the ground. So what are most people doing right now?
I don't know, watching us?
Sitting at home on the couch, breathing furnace air, as you put it, wishing they were in a place like this when they could be.
You can.
All you'd have to do is get out of your comfort zone
drive.
and drive your ass or fly your ass out here and fucking move. Whatever you gotta do to make it happen. Ooh, this would be sick on a mountain bike.
Before work, you can do this after work.
Yeah,
You can still go work your 8-hour shift if you need.
if you're about that life.
But live somewhere that has.
Wait, you
nature.
spend so much money and time traveling to these cool places when you could just live in a cool place, right?
Yeah.
Fantasizing about Vancouver.
Or anything, anywhere with
Make sure you add
nature
the G.
mountain.
Vancouver. I don't say it like that.
I think this one's like.
Yeah, that's gonna take us back down where you said.
I think
So let's
so.
keep
Like, I
going.
think I made a mistake last time.
So let's
And
keep
I've already
going.
lost everybody else. You see?
Yeah, well, because we went off the beaten trail. That's
No, but
what
it's a
we do.
suspension bridge this way too.
Oh. So yeah, but it's the way we came back. Or came in. Yeah, this looks good because it's raised over there. I was all zoomed in. Haha, that's gonna be funny. Boom, what did we just find, Andrew?
Boom, shipping container. We're
And
just talking
look,
about
it
them.
matches your jacket and your fucking hat.
No, it doesn't.
This is your
And you got
this,
orange.
this
you
is
got
your
orange.
you got an orange hat on.
My, hey, what color's my hat?
Oh, whatever. In the right light, it's orange.
Dude, wicked.
3-story shipping container house. Glass front. This actually looks, this is a condo.
I think there's one in the back.
Multi-unit, 500, 502. So there's 2 units here.
No, there's one in the back.
Look at that. That's even got wood up there. I like the wood. Yes. So you got 2, 4, 6 shipping containers. What's with the metal on that side? That's just for looks. It's funny, we were just talking about it. We're like, I gotta look up a shipping container house in Vancouver, walk 1 block, and pow, right in the kisser. Pow, right in the kisser. Hey, Case. Here's Andrew's house here. Where are you going? I thought this was your house. I thought this was your house. My world to lift you up and change my life to better suit your mood. I see a 304 up there, so yeah, there's quite a few units here. It's badass, man. That's what I want to do. I wonder how I'd like to talk to somebody
Yeah.
who built that.
No, exactly. Well,
About codes and
once we have
city
connections,
problems and stuff.
then we do stuff. This is the thing. Once we make my video, it's gonna definitely help spread some shit. Once you push stuff out.
Well, that's why I
Start
try to
coming.
diversify all my videos.